That's it. Okay, you're hooked up. Are you gonna hook up the other one in the front or what?
Going forward.
Ah, Manny, ¿vas a amarrar el otro o no? Half and half. You're gonna use the whole 50 feet or whatever that is? Looks like 30 feet.
I think it's like 15.
Well, okay, why are you gonna do half?
We doubled it up.
Oh, see, otherwise it will break. But
Alright.
it might be easy if we double it up before we hook it up in there. So we use it as a D-ring.
Oh, okay.
Undo it?
Yeah. Alright, undo this?
Yes. So that way, if anything, you have to undo one, not two. Give me one end. No, te hold it for you. We're gonna hook it up from here. Oh yeah,
Should we put a side-by-side here and then hook the side-by-side to the truck that way?
No, they're too heavy truck for that. If anything, they're gonna be speeding tires.
That's why, like, you know, to keep him on harder ground.
It's the same shit. None of you have more tires to begin with. Okay, you hooked up in the back. Pablo. You gotta crawl up. I'll tell you right now. You're hooked up in the front and in the back right now.
Come back.
You ready? Honk it. Pablo.
Hold on. They're tying.
I thought they were done tying already. Ponle un título. This is not what not to do en la 40. Hey John, this is what not to do en la 40. You can't fuck around with the truck in here. Yeah. Are you coming? There you go. Whoa.
Corre, flaco, corre.
No, para que no se meta la goma, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Remember the lock on the receiver.
You gotta burn it no more. I'll barbecue and you guys don't drink whatever other shit you want. That's broke? Yeah, I broke that one. So I just unplugged both of them.
Thank you for your support. Okay, now you lead to fuck around today.
Muchas gracias, man.
Ah,
Bobby.
tranquilo, nos vemos en el ranch para enero.
¿Cómo te llamas?
Gerardo, pues yo el flaco.
Gerardo, muchas gracias, man.
Está amarrado ahí nada más.
Lo voy a picar aquí. Porque esto más no es quien lo sabe.
Con un martillo. Pero no tenemos martillo acá.
Para los chamacos, acá. Para en la cabeza.
Exacto, para que no coman mierda ya. Ok, ¿cómo es? ¿La está del lago? ¿Está one will fit through it? En la parte de los árboles me refiero.
No, extra free.
Ok, entonces sí pasa.
Sí, hacemos eso y nos vamos.
¿Está como un tiro ya o qué?
Allá lo trabajamos ya, 5 o'clock, ¿no?
Llegaste clocado ya. Don't be cheap with the car wash now. Look at the tires. The good thing you didn't fuck up the scurvy below.
Still good?
Yeah, still good. You didn't fuck it up, Palito. A little from this side. Oh, you're 100%. Yeah, didn't rip off. Don't forget your shovel. Yeah, let's go. Vamos a montar. Let me roll my machete in.
Hopefully we can ride again. Actually ride.
Bueno, si vas a pagar un sábado, we'll be here. Manny, give me a second, let me roll out my shit. Oh, fuck, tengo un nudo ahí. Shit, ok.